The name SoftBank is synonymous with banks and banking activities, and that explains why many people assume or would assume that this is a bank. Well, not exactly. Stay tuned. You will get to know more about this industry or conglomerate called SoftBank. Welcome to my channel. Time to subscribe. The SoftBank has its headquarters in Japan, and the founder and CEO Masayoshi Son was born in Japan and studied in California in the US, and then graduated from UC Berkeley in 1980 with BA in economics. You see, SoftBank activities stems from software to telecommunication and now spread across diverse industry. To let you know, the founder of SoftBank, Masayoshi, invested $20 million in Alibaba in 2000, a stake of 44%, and then 14 years later the investment yields $60 billion, and later sold some of the shares and now left with 25%. Other industry, holdings of SoftBank includes Yahoo Tokyo, Sprint in the US, SVF, Uber, WeWork, and then ARM, the chip maker who design chips for most smart devices, including the smartphone. Though ARM Holding has again bought back ARM from SoftBank for $40 billion at a profit of say $8 billion for SoftBank. So why did I refer to SoftBank as an index fund? Well, stay with me, let me explain. You see, an index fund provides a broader market exposure. With one index, if and when you buy a single index, you are exposed to diverse industry. Similarly, when you invest in SoftBanks, you are exposed to several SoftBank holdings, which include e-commerce, finance, telecommunication, tech services, semiconductors, design, media and marketing, and AI or robot. Again, very recently, SoftBank invested in the biggest VC-backed startups, the likes of Didi Sing, Grab, Olacaps, and Flipkart, a e-commerce in India. In fact, the biggest e-commerce in India. So the question often asked, or the question which often comes to mind is, why would the CEO go this route? Taking such risk by investing millions of dollars in some of these companies. Well, you see, Son, the founder, understood the concept of business strategy, and this strategy have yielded millions of dollars. And again, in the recent development, SoftBank initiated a vision fund. According to report, it is the largest investment so far with $100 billion, which include investment from Qualcomm, Apple, Sharp, and UAE. Therefore, it is not surprising that SoftBank is listed in the Forbes magazine as amongst the world's biggest public companies. Okay, the big question is, how do you benefit from all this as an investor? Well, if and when you buy the share of SoftBank Group, you will have a share of all SoftBank holdings. So it is a win-win situation. Why? Because you are buying the largest venture capitalist in the world, and it comes with good value as well. Okay, here is the bonus. For still staying with me till now, download the step-by-step guide on how to pick value stocks. It is a PDF file, and check the comment and description section. You will find it there. Yes, it is free at no cost at all and no catch. And check my video titled Index Fund for Beginners. And again, another video titled How FinTech is Creating Bank of the Future. What will happen to traditional banks? You will see both clips at the end of this video. Okay, here comes the best part. Subscribe, like, and comment. Remember, the goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.